Good day, welcome to my channel. This is the BMW 1 Series and year 2005 E87 series. So today I would like to show you guys is when you start your car and it will show up maybe for the warning, and this light here is showing there's some problem on your car's light. Is include the indicator light and headlight or the light bulb at the back. But once you get this symptom, it's better you go to check which one is it, and you just turn your figure off here to choose the option, and you chose to check and press this one, press inside, and you get this and try to hold on here, and you'll come up with the error code with this CCID-37, and you can see that the CCID-37, and you check online, is showing is the car black light for your car. So you just try to start it and open up your light and go down here and through back, and you can see all the light is nice here, but your car black light here, the back, is nothing, it's running out. Just slightly pull up. Yeah. Hold this, take out, and you can just turn this to the left. Just take this. You can see the light bulb here, it's all run out. To change the light bulb, this one, you just grab this and take off, and it will come off like this. Pull out, easy. And then after, get your new bolt, just simply put inside. Put back. After that, just go inside, turn on your car, and you see that the light bulb is all good now. So thanks for watching.